Hey everyone, if you're in people analytics or HR and working with Power BI, I've got something exciting to share. Imagine having interactive, customizable org charts that make workforce planning a breeze. The org chart drag and drop custom visual by Workforce Vision combines the power of Power BI with the functionality you need to manage and visualize your organization effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. Easily display your entire org structure in an intuitive, interactive view that brings clarity to even the most complex hierarchies. Simply select the visual, choose the parts of your headcount data to display, and you're all set. Using the node mini menus, it's simple to add nodes, to reflect new roles, edit nodes, to update details, move nodes to adjust hierarchies, or remove nodes to reflect changes, all with a few simple clicks. The ability to move nodes within the org chart is a game changer for organizational planning. Whether you're restructuring teams, reassigning roles, or visualizing potential changes, this feature allows you to test and refine scenarios in real time. By simply dragging and dropping nodes, you can easily adjust reporting lines and hierarchies. The visual also includes advanced financial planning features, allowing you to calculate and visualize costs as they flow up through the hierarchy. Each node reflects its associated costs, which are aggregated at every level of the organization to give you a clear picture of your overall expenses. What's more, the visual dynamically updates costs as you make changes. Move nodes to reorganize your structure and instantly see how the cost distribution adjusts. Exporting your updated org structure is easy. Simply click the export button, copy the data, and paste it directly into Excel. From there, you can filter the data to view all the changes you've made, complete with detailed explanations of what properties and reporting lines have been updated. It's a straightforward way to analyze, share, and act on your updates. The visual includes powerful functionality to load and save changes to and from the visual. Saving is simple. Just click the Save button and copy the generated changelog. This changelog acts as your blueprint, allowing you to seamlessly pick up where you left off. When you're ready to continue, simply load the changelog back into the visual using the Load button, and all your updates will be instantly restored. This then enables you to save multiple scenarios, making it easy to explore different organizational setups and compare options before making decisions. Built-in formatting options make it easy to customize the visual to suit your organization's style and preferences. Functionality like search allows you to quickly find specific teams or individuals, ensuring you always have access to the information you need. Additionally, links between nodes make it easy to visualize relationships and connections within your organization. And that's how easy it is to take control of your org structure with this Power BI custom visual. Whether you're planning, restructuring, or just keeping things organized, this tool has you covered. If you're ready to give it a try, download the sample from AppSource and see how it could transform your workforce planning. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.